Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Instagram call. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have make any Instagram voice call and want to change your voice, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. Simply you have to first of all you have to make any voice call on Instagram. So guys, for example, So guys, the second method is you have to make your call first, and guys you have to open App Store, and guys here you need to search call voice changer. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to search this one, and guys you need to download this app on your iPhone. And guys, after this, when you are doing any call on Instagram or on any app, and guys simply you have to turn it on, and guys after this your voice will be changed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.